Briefly, the case was that he stopped an unmarked police car that he didn't know it was a police car, and two officers in plain clothes conducting surveillance on a building that had been burglarized several times. And when Mr. Kinder stopped to ask them if they needed any help, they said no. And then he got in his car to leave, and they began to follow him. It's dark, unmarked car, no lights, and he became a little frightened, picked up speed, eluded them, but then at some point, detective car with lights on it, but not a traditional patrol car, did come into the chase with lights, though no cameras to show those lights, and Mr. Kinder picked up speed, came into another roadway where he broadsided a police car that was coming to the scene, and an officer, Freeman, tragically died in that.
Kinder made contact with two deputies in an unmarked car. There was some suspicious activity, according to them. They began to follow him. A well-marked car got in behind them. It was not traditionally marked, but we have video that we disclosed. It was a Dodge Magnum with several blue lights and sirens joined in the chase. The chase commenced. It went for several minutes, during which time Mr. Kinder deactivated his lights, and the chase went all over Macon, ending when he blew a stop sign after blowing several other stop signs and broadsided investigator T.J. Freeman, killing him. He was taken from the scene. He was the only person in the car. He was arrested, served his warrants for the vehicular homicide on July 19th. The grand jury, well within the 90 days, presented, and we true billed a homicide, a felony murder case. He was arrested served those warrants on July 25th. As Mr. Hogue stated, on September 1st, bond hearing before Judge Ennis, and it was denied. His arraignment was postponed twice, once for the state and once for the defense. He was arraigned in front of Judge Sims on January 11th of this year, and as Mr. Hogue stated, he's currently specially set for the August 28th trial week. That week has been blocked outside for Mr. Kinder's trial.